Now we're going in Gulliver's Valley.
Gulliver's Valley. Straight through the middle if you got pre-booked ticket, don't wait. Gulliver's Valley. See what it's like. Small.
Now we're going on pilot.
Falls. Oh. Gonna go up and over and then splash. Are you gonna get wet?
Yes, I'm getting ready.
Kids.
Move it.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, they're coming on now.
Who?
I'm gonna get the last one.
Are you on? Hold on, both hands, good. Oh. No, sit properly, back. You're not going to get wet. Sit back.
Oh, because of that.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Hold on, don't let go.
Oh, no.
Don't let go. Ooh.
They're not moving.
Yeah, we're going to go up the escalator. We start going up the escalator and we'll see what happens. We're going up the escalator. This camera's going to get ruined. Eliza, this camera's going to get ruined.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, this is what we do for YouTube. Hold on, Sammy! Hold on, both hands! Are you holding on? Hold on, Cookie, both hands. Turn round, sit properly. Hold on, both hands. Look forward.
I'm looking at it.
There we go, let's see if this camera survives. Oh, there we go. Please hold on. Look forward, Gug. If you look back, you... Oh! Oh!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh
Oh no!
no!
Oh no!
Oh! Oh! We're spinning! We're a spinner! Oh! We're a spinner!
We're getting water!
Oh! So far we survived! We survived! Oh!
I got wet!
We survived! Oh! Twist it! We survived! Was that it?
No!
Ooh! That was worse!
I'm getting wet! I'm getting wet!
A little bit. Oh, hold on, Liza.
I'm getting wet!
Well, yeah. Yeah. Hold on.
I'm so...
The camera survived. Yeah, my feet are wet. Oh, hold on. Don't let go. That's it. You did it. You did it. Where are they? You're not there. So we made it. I don't know where they are. That was it. Easy peasy. Sit down. Don't stand up. It's not finished. Look, there they are. We just got splashed.
But wait for that bit.
They got splashed.
Don't make your way up, thank you.
Okay. I am where I've got black trousers on. Go, right, turn around. Not that bad.
Look at mine.
Camera didn't get wet.
I got soaked. Because you went on mine.
Camera survived.
I got soaked.
Right, then let's wait for the others. Where are they? Did you get wet? Did you get wet? Yeah. You're wet, look at you. Look, oh, look at that. You're all wet. Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Right, off form now.
Next time we're gonna
Stay?
stay.
So that's our day at Gulliver's Valley over. It's quite a compact theme park, mostly under 12s. Not much there for teens. Maybe a few rides.